Transportation leaders around the world depend on accurate and reliable traffic data to make crucial decisions for our roadways. Meet the next generation radar, RTMS Echo. The Echo has been built from the ground up and offers transportation engineers an easy-to-use, highly accurate radar that provides sophisticated traffic data. The RTMS Echo delivers an easy wireless setup, configuration, and management of the detector. Simple cabling. The standard Cat5e cable easily runs through poles and conduit. And new possibilities with a traffic data reporting engine that harnesses the power of accurate, per-vehicle information and delivers exceptional detail regarding roadway usage. The RTMS Echo gives you the tools to maximize existing infrastructure and optimize the safety and efficiency of every city.